In this video, we will make a jellyfish. I will use a round board 1 meter in diameter. The board will have 366 nails. After about 2 hours, this is the result. I immediately thought of using this magenta, and I wanted to accompany with something softer like this light pink. So I will mix these 2 threads. I started with the magenta to make a base. Then I alternated with the pink. This is the result with 2 layers. To give it more depth, I decided to use the magenta one last time. For water refractions, I use this very reflective light blue. As a last layer, I used black for the outlines and shadows. And this is the final result. I find it beautiful. The 2 types of pink make a very gelatinous effect up close, and from a distance the black thread gives a lot of depth to both the creature and the background. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.